Hey guys, what is up? And with June finally here, I thought I'd go over my top 5 picks for my favorite iPhone apps of early June 2016. So these are apps I've been consistently using for the past week or so, and I found them to be very useful. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Jumping straight into it, the first app is called Berski. Berski is free and allows you to create animated GIFs directly on your iOS device. So we just launch it. It's got a very simple layout. At the top left, we have all of our animated GIFs we have already created. Bottom left, we have different filters we can apply to it. And at the bottom right, we have the option to use the front-facing camera. And to create a GIF, all you have to do is hold down the button in the center of the screen, and then it will record it. And as you can see, it is animated. It's kind of hard to see with the orange background, but it does work very well. And then from there, you can share it. So overall, very simple app, but it's useful for all you guys out there interested in creating GIFs. Second app on my list is an app called The Roll, and what it does is it groups all of your similar photos together into folders, which makes looking through your photos much faster and easier. And this icon at the bottom right here indicates how many photos are in each group. And if you just tap on it, you can see a full view of all the different photos in that group. And if you'd like to, you can even select a different photo to be the cover photo for that group. Now, the next feature of the app that I personally find really cool is the ability to actually search for a specific photo. So if we go back and select the search icon, you can see that we can just type in the search bar any keyword. So for example, I can type tree or anything like that, and all the photos with trees in them will pop up. So very cool, and it will definitely help you if you're looking for a specific photo. Next up for iOS is a keyboard called Gboard, and unfortunately at the moment I believe it is only available in the US, but basically what it is it's Google's version of the iOS keyboard, but it has a few tricks up its sleeve that makes it stand out from other keyboards. So when you first launch it, the first thing you'll notice is the search bar at the top of the keyboard, and from here you can search for different news, GIFs, as well as photos that can be copied directly from the keyboard and pasted into whatever it is you are typing. So for example, if you're typing a text and you would like to send somebody an image, all you have to do is search for it within the keyboard, copy it, and then paste it directly into the message. And it works the exact same way if you're sending news or GIFs. So overall, I really like Gboard, and it does have the option to use swipe gestures instead of actually typing, which is a nice feature to have as well. And overall, I think it's earned a spot as my main iOS keyboard. Moving on to number 4, we have a scanner for iOS called Scannable. Scannable is useful for people who use their phone to scan documents like coupons and receipts and things like that, and it's really much more effective than using the stock camera application. So to show you guys how it works, all you have to do is launch the app, point it at your document you would like to scan, it should then highlight it, then you just want to give it a few seconds to enhance the photo. Once it enhances it, it should brighten it up. And if we just go ahead and tap on it, you can see we can either send it or save it. And if we would like to send it, all you have to do is tap on it. You can send it via mail or share it. And we also have the option to save it, and you can save it via camera roll or Evernote. You also have the options to adjust things like the rotation and crop of the image. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. And it's very simple. Overall, a very simple app to use, and it's useful for anyone who scans a lot of documents. The fifth and final app on my list is a funny one that I had to include on this list, and it's called Steve. And it's actually a notification widget game where you're a jumping dinosaur and you have to jump over obstacles. And if you guys remember, it's basically the same thing that you play on Google Chrome when you don't have internet. So I thought it'd be fun to include it in this list. So to set it up, all you have to do is swipe down on your notification center, then scroll down, select edit, then drag Steve up like this, and then you're ready to begin playing. And it really is a very simple game, and its graphics aren't exactly console quality, but it's fun if you want to kill a few minutes. So yeah, I really wanted to include it because of how unique it is, and that pretty much wraps up this video. So I hope you guys did find this video helpful and found at least one app that you find interesting. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.